Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn the device on/off. The device is not allowed to be off while it's recording. Press the start button and then select yes. Next, press the menu button to confirm start recording. While the device is running, press the stop button, then select yes, and press the menu button to confirm stop. Press menu button and hold for 3 seconds to enter the menu. Press stop button to select different options and press menu button to view details. Enter the display settings menu to adjust backlight brightness, backlight time, and date format. At the main screen, press menu button to view the max, mean, and average values. Open the Elitech iCloud app. Tap Add icon at the top right. Scan the QR code on the device. Fill in the device name and select your time zone. Tap Add. There will be a pop-up showing Added successfully. Go back to the main page to check on the device that has been connected successfully. Click the device to view the device information. In device information, click the device to set parameters. Go to Data, select the time period, click Generate Report. And go to Download Center to view the report. Go to Graph, select the time period to view the graph. Go to Alarm, select the time period to view the report of the alarm record. Go to Notification. You may select the notification either by SMS or email. Set the repeat times and notification interval notification settings. Select the alarm category that you need to receive in alarm category and early warning. Go to Setting. You may set the upper and lower limits of temperature. And humidity in the sensor parameters. Switch the temperature unit and set the record and alarm interval in User Preferences.